Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and easy seafood broth. This simple method will help you create a flavorful base for many dishes. First, gather your essential ingredients, including seafood scraps like shrimp shells and fish bones. You will also need aromatic vegetables such as onions, carrots, and celery, plus fresh herbs like parsley. Have a large pot ready with enough cold water. Now, let's build that incredible flavor foundation. Begin by sautéing your chopped onions, carrots, and celery in about 1 tablespoon of oil. Cook these aromatics gently until they soften and become wonderfully fragrant, which usually takes around 5 minutes. Next, add your clean seafood scraps, like those shrimp shells and fish bones, to the pot. Give them a brief cook for just a few minutes to really enhance their natural flavors. With your ingredients in the pot, it's time for the gentle simmer. Pour in about 8 to 10 cups of cold water, ensuring everything is fully covered. Slowly bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Remember, we want to avoid a rolling boil. As it simmers, use a spoon to skim off any foam or impurities that rise. Let it simmer for at least 30 minutes, but no longer than 1 hour. Finally, it's time to finish and store your beautiful broth. Carefully strain the liquid through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl, discarding all the solids. You can gently press the solids to extract any remaining flavorful liquid. Allow your delicious seafood broth to cool completely before transferring it to airtight containers. It will keep fresh in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, or you can freeze it for up to 3 months.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.